Hey guys, and you've got to try in here. We are doing random game. No idea what this game is. I randomly found it on this. Yeah, I'm very confused on it. What country? Let's go Mexico. And my opponent shall be Germany. Here we go. Mexico versus Germany. Beginner Cup. What is this? Boom. What the heck? This game. Don't understand. It's pretty fun actually. No. I actually like tilt the screen and stuff to turn. Whoa! I just smashed my own teammate. I'm great at this game. Give me the ball. How are you supposed to get out of this? Turn. This game is so weird. Around him. Sorry, I'll block him. Block him. How are you supposed to go up? Okay. I don't like this game. I'm probably gonna keep it just cause, yeah, it's pretty dumb. I like dumb games. Come on, no. Yes, I scored. Yes. I don't want to pause the game. For that reason, right now. Let's go in here. Never mind. Resume. Oh, he smashed him. Yeah, let's go. Rolling. I got him. Boom. Got him. Mexico. Oops. Whoa! Bouncy boards. No, roll. Here he goes. And come on. Come on. Ooh. Goodbye.